Good evening to you, and thanks so much for joining us. I'm Jenny Day.
I'm Adonis Albright. Earlier this week, a Maricopa County judge struck down Arizona laws that would have prevented schools and local governments from requiring masks in class. And today, the state Supreme Court is doubling down on that decision, striking down any request to block this week's ruling.
Yeah, so most school districts in Yuma County highly recommend the use of masks indoors as well as physical distance, but don't require it, even though some schools in Phoenix and Arizona do. The laws would have made enforcing masks in school illegal, but this week's ruling states that schools can do what they want and say the previous laws were unconstitutional, meaning if they do want to enforce a mask mandate, they won't get into any legal trouble.
One local mother
My kids have been wonderful enough to understand and acknowledge that what we're doing is trying to help other people. And if I ask them to wear a mask, or if the school district asks them to wear a mask, that they trust me and they trust the people that are guiding them every day, that we're aiming to get our own sense of normalcy back.
Yeah, Republican Attorney General Mark Brnovich has requested to have this week's ruling put on hold, but the Arizona Supreme Court ruled against that, as well as the state legislature's push to overrule the judge's decision. There are a number of school districts across the state that have gone against the governor's law even before it was brought to court, including Arizona Western College that imposed a mask mandate during indoor activities. The Arizona ruling also struck down a number of non-virus provisions that were slipped into the state budget. So according to the Department of Health and Human Services, more than 79,000 people were hospitalized with COVID-19 just as of yesterday nationwide.